Welcome to Teachment, the world's leading education infrastructure company, empowering over 2 crore educators and students across the globe. Today, I'm excited to present the Teachment X2 Digital Board, a state-of-the-art solution built for educators. With a powerful combination of next-generation hardware and intelligent software, including EduAI, our in-house AI teaching assistant integrated with our all-in-one whiteboard. This board is engineered to elevate every classroom experience. This demo video is divided into 4 parts. First, we'll explore the hardware features, followed by our all-in-one whiteboard solution, then dive into EduAI, our AI built for teaching, and finally, we'll wrap up with why you should choose Teachment X over any other digital board available in the market. This device comes with next-generation hardware designed specifically for classroom use. At its heart is the powerful RK3576 octa-core processor, which delivers twice the performance of most digital boards in the market. Let us see the Geekbench scores for our board compared to the other boards. This means smooth use of apps and zero lag even during intense multitasking. We also have a dedicated NPU for AI tasks. It is designed to handle AI tasks faster, making the panel more responsive and intelligent. Powered by Android 14, which is Google ETLA certified, so you get the Play Store and access to all the favorite apps. Also, get enhanced security with Google Play Protect. Our digital board also comes with a 48-megapixel AI camera with dynamic tracking, which automatically follows and focuses on the active speaker or the person moving in the classroom. It comes with an inbuilt 8-array microphone that captures your voice clearly from all the directions, even while you're walking. Only our Pro models comes with a camera and mic. Teachment X features a true 4K ultra high definition display with a 60 Hz refresh rate, delivering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and high-quality images, and a blue light filter to protect your eyes during prolonged use of digital board. This screen is protected with a 3.2 mm toughened glass, featuring 9H hardness, making it scratch-resistant and exceptionally durable. With the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, it's built to handle all classroom tasks smoothly. Teachment X also has front-facing 40-watt speakers that are loud and clear even in the largest classrooms with up to 60 students. With the NFC card, teachers can just tap to unlock the board, which ensures safety. Also, they can log in into the Teachment app using the NFC card and get access to their previous lectures instantly. Each digital board comes with 2 styluses, which are magnetic and dual-sided. One end writes, the other erases or selects. Just pull it from the board and the whiteboard opens instantly. With dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0, you can connect instantly to the internet and other devices. It also comes with HDMI, USB 3, USB-C, and LAN connectivity. This board comes with the split screen feature, where you can easily split the screen to show your apps and lesson materials side by side. You can wirelessly cast from Windows, Mac, or Android, even share multiple screens at once for collaborative sessions. Teachment X comes with a 3-year on-site warranty and 365 days of customer support. Built to last 50,000 hours of screen life, Teachment X Whiteboard is designed with years of teacher insight and real classroom experience. Teachment X is the first in its segment to offer an auto-sync cloud-based whiteboard. Login can be done using multiple options: phone number, email, QR code, or even NFC cards. Users can instantly access and share the whiteboard as well by just scanning the QR code with a phone. All lessons are auto-recorded and saved for playback. This can be shared with students with just a simple click via email or WhatsApp. With auto title generation, organizing classroom sessions becomes effortless and easily accessible. The writing experience is unmatched with a fast 5 millisecond response time, dual tip stylus, and palm eraser, which makes it the smoothest interactive whiteboard in the market, creating a lag-free experience for the user. Smart tools enable you to select objects, copy, rotate, mirror, and correct with ease. Did you know you can solve even complex maths equations in just one click with our optical character recognition (OCR)? It can recognize the handwriting and change into text or even search online. Draw 2D and 3D shapes with auto measurements, enabling accurate and intuitive diagrams. In the latest update, the auto measurement tool instantly shows angles and lengths for every shape you draw. Teachers can publish pre-planned lessons and lectures anytime and track digital attendance. With Smart Clipboard, teachers can save their best explanations, diagrams, or problems to reuse anytime. It's like building a personal library of top teaching moments. You can easily import PDFs or images and annotate, explain, and store them back into your whiteboard. Now, what if instead of a document, a video is required? Teachers can now upload videos from their device directly onto the whiteboard via the Teachment app. They can play, save, or remove the videos as needed with the latest update. Videos up to 100 MB are auto-uploaded to the study material section for easy student access. Teachment X enables seamless collaboration with 20-point multi-touch support, perfect for interactive classrooms. The board also includes smart simulations, graphing tools, a scientific calculator, a dictionary, and the periodic table. Everything you need for interactive and effective teaching is all available in just one place. Now, with a powerful AI camera comes the ability to track teachers as they move, auto-frame the speaker, and give students a clear view, which is very useful for live classes. With Teachment X2, going live is as simple as starting your whiteboard session, schedule, teach, and interact in real time. And now, admins can view all scheduled, ongoing, and completed live classes from the dashboard and even join in for real-time classroom oversight. Now, let us move to the AI capabilities of Teachment X. EduAI, your personal AI teaching assistant built right into the whiteboard. And it's only available with Teachment X digital boards. Limitless content generation with EduAI. With EduAI, generate unlimited academic content instantly. Just type a topic and get clear curriculum-aligned explanations. All of this in multiple languages. EduAI's safe search ensures every result is academic, age-appropriate, and secure, so teachers and students stay focused and protected. It detects the class on its own and delivers subject and class-specific content. Lesson plans. Create structured, subject-specific lesson plans in one click. You can also create engaging AI-powered PPTs with a simple voice command or text input. Math Solver. Write any equation or word problem on the whiteboard. EduAI solves it instantly with detailed step-by-step explanations. Summarization. EduAI also summarizes whiteboard lessons page by page and by topic, making revisions easy, with support for English, Hindi, and other regional languages. AI Homework Generator. Generate personalized curriculum-aligned homework instantly on any topic taught on the whiteboard. Quick quizzes and assessments. With EduAI, you can instantly generate quizzes and personalized assessments aligned to the subject, class, and curriculum. Books. Access NCERT books offline already uploaded into our digital board, or upload your own books or notes for quick access. Device level tracking. Linked devices now generate usage reports automatically, making it easier for admins to track teaching patterns, monitor engagements, and optimize learning experiences across classrooms. Course coordinators can thus effectively leverage these features to improve their classroom experiences from the admin dashboard.
After the class, your learning experience does not stop. It gets even smarter.
Teachers can assign and analyze tests and connect instantly via chat or notices. Get detailed student insights and even keep parents in the loop, all from just one place. Why should you choose Teachment X over others? What truly sets us apart is the ecosystem behind the panel. Teachment comes with an inbuilt classroom software and app trusted by over 2 crore users, which is completely subscription-free for teachers. Inbuilt Edu AI, AI-powered smart and intelligent personal teaching assistant, incorporated into the whiteboard, makes teaching and learning a rich experience. You do not need to invest in content, as the AI-rich content gives images, videos, lesson plans, assessments, and detailed case studies across all boards and classes. Teachment has specialized expertise in educational technology, making it a leader in the field. Access to cloud storage for teaching materials as well as to store data online effortlessly. Teachment X is also certified by Google EDLA, Government e-Marketplace, Bureau of Indian Standards, as well as ISO. Thank you for watching.